What's the meaning of alliterative? Alliterative. 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 Alliterative.
The term alliterative refers to the use of words that begin with the same sound or letter, usually used in poetry or literature. Alliteration can add emphasis, musicality, and rhythm to a piece of writing, creating a memorable effect on the reader. By repeating the same consonant sound, alliteration can also create an image, mood or atmosphere within the text. For example, the phrase, "Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers," is alliterative, as it repeats the sound of the letter P. Alliteration is a powerful tool in the hands of skilled writers and poets.